Hey, today we're doing another capture the flag, and this time we're going to do some header manipulation. I'm going to be showing you an extension which I use to change requests. Every single request is changed. That's useful to get into some login pages, so let's check that out.
All right, so last time we did riddle registry. It took us a while, so we did manage to do it pretty smoothly, but we still had to use some Gemini, so I figured let's do another easy challenge, this time web exploitation, crack the gate. What is this about? We're in the middle of an investigation. One of our persons of interest, CTF player, is believed to be hiding sensitive data inside a restricted web portal. We've uncovered the email address he uses to log in. Okay. I'm trying to figure out the password. But the player left a secret. What is that secret? Okay. Web exploitation. We have an email. We have to launch an instance. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's go. Starting. Pretty new to Pico CTF. I just the first CTF thing that appeared. Okay. It's running. Okay, let's go. Let's go right into it. So email is this. The guy left a secret. What the hell? That's confusing. It's not gonna be the port, is it? No, no, it's not. Okay. CTF player at Pico CTF or what? Pico CTF. Is this it? Is this it? Might as well try, no? Okay. We don't know the password. It's almost like the variable left a secret in a secret way in. Oh, okay. Hmm. Okay, this is weird. So browser web shell solvable. So we can do this in browser web shell. Don't have much experience with this, so I'm gonna have to play around a bit and see what's up. Maybe with burp suit. Maybe with burp suit, like if I stop the request whenever I click login, I could do something, right? That's what I'm thinking. Hmm. This is what I'm thinking. This looks like a normal login form. Oh! Oh, I found it, I think. Remove after pushing to production. What the hell is this? Honestly, this is something that we need to know. This ABGR is the key. We don't need to do no stupid burp suit, nothing. This is already here. But this needs to be decoded. This looks like some Caesar cipher. For those that don't know what Caesar cipher is, it's basically you shift all the characters. Let's say if you've got A, you can shift everything to be all A's to be C's, all B's to be D's, so on. That looks like something like that. But I mean, the easiest way to do this is going to be honestly to take this. I'm not even going to bother and say, is this a Caesar cipher? Because this looks to me like a Caesar cipher. I'm going to go here to Gemini, my best friend. Is this a Caesar cipher? Let's see what we get. What does my man say? It is. Perfect. Okay, so we might need burp suits. It says that to bypass it, we use a specific header, xdev access, yes. Uh, I'm gonna try not to use AI because we're trying to learn here. Xdev access, yes. So the idea, I think, is to first, I'm gonna open burp suit. Let's see if I can use this. The idea is we're going to stop the request whenever we click login, and then modify this header to say yes. And then when we click forward, hopefully we're logged in. I'm going to do this next. Start burp. It's loading. Okay. So first thing we will need is, what is the first thing? We're going to need to be intercepting stuff. I'm going to open the browser, the specific, not right now, mate, not right now, mate. Bit of a bad timing. Open browser. Let's see if I can do it like this. So I'm going to put this in, boom, like this. Does this work or does this not work? If this doesn't work, I'm going to try I can do that. I'm going to intercept it. It's taking some nice little time to load. Oh yeah, yeah. Are you going to load, my friend? Maybe I can't do this because of the fact that it's like some weird instance that only opens to that link or something. Yeah, we're gonna quit this. Burp suit, not anymore. What does this guy say? This is for a CTF. So yeah, all these things, because we want to do this quickly, so let's try this again. Boom, boom. No. So we're here. The email, CTF player, picoctf.org. But the key thing is here, right? If we got this, we know that it means that we need to use a specific header. I click login though. Invalid credentials, yeah. Because it makes this post request, but we need to modify the request. Okay, so how do I make a request with xdev access? Because this is what I'm struggling with right now. Xdev access. So that's, yeah. How do I make a request with xdev access? As a secret. Don't I need burp suit? That's what I'm thinking, right? Burp suit is useful because I can stop it in between and change it, but here apparently you don't. No, no, no. Forget N810. This is just about a simple. Sometimes you gotta open new chats because otherwise this thing happens. Gemini goes crazy. Okay. Okay, so I need the mod header. Probably it's just a Chrome extension. That was like something of Chrome. Yeah, like that it was. Uh, search them somewhere else. Apparently, Chrome Web Store. Here it is. ModHeader. All right, we got the extension. Bit sketchy, maybe. I don't really care. Tell on my face. So apparently you can modify headers with just this extension. Like plus button, xdev access, yes. Okay, that's actually easy. Okay, will just be an header that in every request it's included. Okay, that's actually a smart thing to know. Useful thing to know. So pro tip guys, if you need to pass a header like that, you can just use this extension. If it works, we gotta check that out. And we're going to add X, it was like this I believe, dev access, yes, yes. Alright. Boom! Look at that beauty. Easy, got the flag, and we're back in business. Boom. Easy money. So that's how you can easily get into a login if you find some suspicious things in the inspection. Yeah, apart from that fact where I wasn't too sure where to do the header thing, it was pretty smooth. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in the next CTF.